how to remove the cassette type, like just like any other. You need a tool, a special tool, something like this. This one is for the bottom bracket, this one is the cogs holder, and also something like this. This will fit. Need to remove the skewer first. Insert the bottom bracket extraction tool. This one is counterclockwise. You need to hold it clockwise, and the lock is clockwise, so you need to counter. So using a large wrench, see, so that's how you remove a cassette. And this is called a single speed cassette, and with all the spacers and cassette. That's it. This is a from Fourier hardened chromoly single speed cassette, special type, and with the lock. Okay, and you need to clean.